Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to turn a checklist item into a task in Microsoft Planner. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to planner.cloud.microsoft and log in using your Microsoft credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Planner dashboard where you can access all your project boards and tasks. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation panel. Click on My Plans to view all the plans you're currently part of. This section displays all your active project boards, making it easy to jump into any workspace you're collaborating on with your team. From the list of plans that appears, click on the specific plan that contains the task you want to work with. This will open up the board view where you can see all the tasks organized by their respective buckets or categories. Next, locate and click on a task that contains a checklist. Tasks with checklists are useful for breaking down larger work items into smaller, manageable steps. When you click on the task, a detailed view will open up on the right side of your screen, showing you all the information related to that task. In the Task Details panel, you'll notice the checklist section that displays all the checklist items associated with this task. This is where you can track individual steps or subtasks that need to be completed as part of the larger task. Now, here's where the magic happens. Select the checklist item you want to convert, and you'll notice a plus icon appears beside it. Click on this plus icon, and Planner will automatically convert that checklist item into a full independent task. This is incredibly useful when a checklist item turns out to be more complex than initially thought and requires its own dedicated task with assignments, due dates, and detailed tracking. And that's it. You've successfully turned a checklist item into a standalone task in Microsoft Planner, giving it the full attention and tracking capabilities it deserves. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.